Hi guys, today I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. I let fall my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. Hands, they're strong, but my knees were hard to reach. To stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the games you say were never true. The games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burns and I cry, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Your name. Yes, I do. And stay. Close my eyes, you hear. Forever with me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew in the games. You say they were never true in the things we played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain. But you pours, I touch your face. When it burns, I cry, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I the yours into the flames. When it burned, I cried, 'cause I heard it. That was the last time. The last time. Times I will come back home. And I know you're waiting for you. Tonight, it's already over. Things you burn yourself in the fire. I set fire to the rain. It pours, I touch your face. And it burns when I cry, 'cause I heard this screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I yours into the face. And it burns when I'm dying, 'cause I heard that was the last time. Last time. Let it burn. Oh, 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 it burn. Let it burn. The cheers for me! Yay! So, thank you, guys. I really thank you, to watch this, I guess. I mean,
Alright.
Yeah, really thankful for you to watch my videos, and if you guys like my videos, please, like, keep watching me or something like that. I have couple more makeup tutorials and videos Okay, if you want to just know something, I am not trying to copy Michelle Fan. Okay, maybe just a little bit. But, you know, everyone wants to become famous and stuff like that. But I'm just a kid. I can't, you know. Yeah, so,
Yeah.
thanks for watching.
I'm just copying a crazy person.
Yeah, so, we thank you very much for watching. And as you know, it's by Adele. It's Sapphire to the Rain. And it's time to eat.
Alright, bye. No. So are we still on it?